Oh,
Hello,
how are you?
I am great. Thank you. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. I say your name as Ramzan?
Yes,
Great. And where are you from, Ramzan?
I am from India, Jammu and Kashmir.
Wow, okay. And what time is it over there?
It is about 9:49 p.m.
Oof. Okay, we are in very different time zones, you and me.
And you have the time?
I am 11:19 a.m.
Okay.
So we have around 10 hours of difference.
Yes. So basically, I read your profile, and there was a lot of things which I learned from there that you have a great experience over there. So you have the acting as an actor, you have the profession as an actor, and maybe you have also written that you love to do something which is related to music, right?
Um, I guess so. Yeah, I wouldn't say related to music specifically, but I like musical theater.
Okay, so basically, what I want is I am trying to do the practice for my listening skill. So, can you do something for me? Like you can sing a song, which can, and from that song, I will try to understand each single word which you will be singing. So, can you do it for me?
Sing for you?
Yes, your favorite song.
Okay. Um, I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see them dancing. What did I say?
Sorry. Actually, uh, I was, I was not able to pick your words. Can you please repeat again so that I
Sure.
become more
Ready?
focused?
And I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see them dancing.
I wanna see them dancing.
Okay, what's the first part?
I
I
wanna be the people we are. I think
I want to be where the people are.
where the people are. Yes.
Okay. Do you want me to continue?
Yes. You should continue because we have short time, and I think this is the best way to consume these minutes.
Okay. Walking around on those, what do you call them? Feet. Up where they walk, up where they talk, up where they stay all day in the sun. Go ahead.
Upper they still dance.
Up where they stay all day in the sun.
Okay. Up where? Sorry.
Up where they
Up where
all
they still all the day.
up where they stay all day
All
in the
day in the in the sun.
Mhm.
Yes.
Okay, say it back to me. Up where they walk, up where they talk, up where they stay all day in the sun.
Up where they walk, up where they talk, up where they stay
All day?
all day in the sun.
Okay. Wandering free, wish I could be part of that world.
Sorry, please once again, because this was a short sentence, so I was expecting that you will be
Okay,
doing something more, and I will be picking only the last part.
I'll do a shorter one.
Yes,
Wandering free, wish I could be part of that world.
one can be part of the shy, and, and in the last,
Oh, wandering free,
wandering free,
free,
wandering free, part
wish
of
I
the
could be.
We should be, sorry.
Wish I could be
Wish I could be
part of that world.
part of that world.
Yeah, good job. Good singing voice.
Yes, from now onwards, I will also try to match the voice which you will have.
Okay.
Yes.
Really well, I don't know what's next. Oh, I forgot the song. Hold on. So
Just did it.
So look at this stuff. Isn't it neat?
Look at this stuff. Isn't it
neat?
Isn't it neat?
Good job. Wouldn't you think my collection's complete?
What do you think? What do you think my collection complete?
Wouldn't you think? Wouldn't you think?
What did you think? My collection complete?
My collection's complete.
My collection's complete.
Okay. Wouldn't you think I'm the girl?
Wouldn't you think I am the girl?
The girl who has everything.
A girl who has everything.
Good. Look at this trove, treasures untold.
Look at this trove,
Treasures untold.
treasures untold.
How many wonders can one cavern hold?
How many wonders cover in the whole?
How many wonders can one cavern hold?
Can one cover the whole?
One cavern hold.
One cavern.
Hold. How many wonders can one cavern hold?
One cavern hold.
Yeah.
Actually,
around.
sorry, continue.
Look around.
Look around.
Looking around. Looking around.
Looking around.
Yeah. Okay, Ramzan. You did amazing. Great singing voice. Well
Yes.
done.
Yes, thank you, thank you. And I have also tried to understand most of the words which you was trying to sing. So
Sure.
yeah,
I
great
recommend
practice.
you, if you want to do that, try musical theater. Any
Mhm.
musical theater on YouTube, and it's singing and talking at the same time. I love it. It's really good for your ear.
Yes, yes. So in that way, actually, I could able to pick those fluent words which the most of the singers are yes speaking. So that is little difficult. So okay, bye. Thank you.
Bye bye.